Students ordering a sandwich may never guess it someday could be named after them. Junior Lisa Tao is the first student to have a sandwich named after her at the Food for Thought deli line on the Minneapolis campus. The Little Lisa, a sandwich made of roast beef, pepperoni, pepper jack cheese, and chipotle mayo, was featured this week as a special at Food for Thought.
Lisa came in about a couple months ago and she always gets the same sandwich all the time. So I always have to come up with a sandwich for the week. So I made hers a special because she inspired other people in line that day to try the sandwich.
Tao says she was stunned to hear the news, but appreciates the chance to make her mark at St. Thomas.
I'm pretty proud of myself and it makes me really, really happy. And I don't know, it's kind of like, I guess, an accomplishment of some sort.
The Little Lisa has gained popularity, with about 3 out of every 10 customers ordering this special. Junior Russell Smith appreciates the symbolism behind naming a sandwich after Tao.
And it shows that St. Thomas is open to accepting, new ideas from students.
Alexander says this may be the first time a sandwich has been named after a student, but it certainly won't be the last.
I think that what I want to do is I'm going to put out a sign-up sheet, write your ideas down, put your name on it, and I'll pull one out every month and I'll turn you into a special.
But Tao continues to feel honored to be the first.
I'm happy that a sandwich named after me. It makes me happy.
In Minneapolis, John A. Lene for TommyMedia.com.